Do you ever find yourself craving a sweet treat but don't have time to bake? Instead of just buying a treat from the store, you should try the super easy recipe to satisfy your cravings. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and easy chocolate peanut butter bars to satisfy your sweet cravings first. The ingredients you need is half a cup of salted butter that I melted, 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, and you can just use 8 sheets because that equals 1 cup, and I crushed them. 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and you'll put the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter on the side, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. First, start by lining an 8x8 square inch pan with aluminum foil or parchment paper. I used aluminum foil because I can't reach the parchment paper. And set that aside. And you're going to mix the melted butter, graham crackers, and confectioner's sugar together in a medium bowl. So start with the melted butter, the crushed graham crackers. I use this thing to crush them. And the 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix it together with a spoon. I'm using this big one. I think any kind of spoon would work, so I'm just using this big metal one. It's the only one I found. And mix it pretty good. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done mixing it. And try to get the clumps out of the powdered sugar while you're mixing because they don't go away very easily once you have to put that into the pan. So just try your best to mix that first and get all the clumps out. This is what it looks like so far. And then you put in the 1 cup of peanut butter because that's like the glue which holds everything together for this recipe. And I'm going to add a little bit more because mine wasn't quite a cup. So there. And then you have to mix that very well. And then after that, we're going to be pressing it into the pan. So mix in circular motions and be sure to get all of the powder mixed together with the peanut butter. So it's like this so far. It's just thicker, and then we're going to melt the chocolate and peanut butter mix in the microwave. You can do it on the stove too, but I prefer the microwave because it's easier. So now this is my cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of the creamy peanut butter. Don't use crunchy peanut butter because that's weird. And this is already like kind of melted, so I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for like 20 more seconds. And then while I'm doing that, I'm gonna put this peanut butter mixture in the pan and press it around so it's flat. This is kind of hard with the tin foil because the tin foil kind of just sticks to it, so I recommend parchment paper, but I couldn't reach that, so just gonna have to use this for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my chocolate and peanut butter mix for the topping and mix it together very well. So now it looks like this, and it's super creamy. And pour over the top. of the peanut butter bottom. Spread it around evenly all over the whole thing, and then we're gonna stick it in the freezer, and you can do it for however long you want to. Just make sure it's past like 30 minutes. Mine was good about after 30 minutes. And after they're done, they'll look like this. And they're super delicious. Now you know how to make these delicious chocolate peanut butter bars if you ever finding yourself craving a sweet treat. They only need 5 ingredients, which is salted butter, graham cracker crumbs, 2 cups of powdered sugar, creamy peanut butter, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. They're super delicious and very easy to make.